Hi friends, welcome to another cooking video. This is another Tasty Tuesday video that I am doing a collab with my friend Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy. You guys have heard me say it so many times, and if you have not yet, definitely check out her channel because you'll love it. She does videos like mine, lifestyle videos, mommy videos, cooking or recipe videos, and cleaning videos, hauls. You'll love her. I do, and that's why I continue to do collabs with her because she is a joy to work with. Alright you guys, we're going to be doing a dessert today, and today I am going to be doing this cheesecake dessert with cherry on it. I saw it in, my mom made it for us at a barbecue recently, and I just fell in love with it. And I have it actually a recipe in my book that I lent her. I didn't even know it was in there, so I took a picture of it and I'm going to put it right here. That is the directions, and just follow along with me how I cook it if you'd like, and see how it looks when I'm done. Alright guys, I hope you will enjoy this video. And sorry I look really yucky right now. I just had emergency oral surgery yesterday. It's just an extraction, but seriously, it hurts really bad. So I am uploading this video really late. I'm going to try to get it out on Tuesday, but it might come out on Wednesday, so it might be a Tasty Tuesday / Wednesday. So, alright guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have not yet, go check out Rachel's video as well, see what she's making. Alright guys, let's get to cooking. So these are what I'm going to be using. I just picked up this Great Value cherry pie filling. This I think was like only $1 something, maybe $2 something, I'm not sure, but I got this. This was only like $1 or $1 something for this, but it's Betty Crocker Delight Super Moist Cherry Chip Cake Mix. I also picked up this case of Philadelphia cheesecake filling. It has 24.3 ounces in it, so that's the one to look for. And also I will be needing some cornstarch and some water as well, but you guys will see me cook it as we go. You don't have to use one of these, but I'm going to, just because it gives like the perfect portion sizes. My mom got this for me just recently. It is like the perfect brownie maker or something like that, but you can do other desserts in it as well. This is what she used when she made her cheesecake recipe that I'm going to be copying, well, off of a book that I have that she copied from also. But yeah, I think this will be really good. You can always use this size of a cooking item, baking item, everything's called, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, tray like this size, but you know, but if you have something like this, that's awesome too. Alright you guys, now let's get to baking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And to your stovetop burner that you will be using, set it to a medium heat. Now let's add the cherry pie filling to the medium-sized pot. Now because I cannot find my tablespoons, I am using teaspoons to do this, but you will need 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And just in case you guys didn't know, 3 teaspoons is equivalent to 1 tablespoon. Alright, now we're just going to mix it all together in this pot and let it boil for about 2 minutes. Make sure the cornstarch is blended well, and yeah, after we boil it for about 2 minutes, we're going to set it aside to cool. In a separate microwavable bowl, just add 1 stick of butter, which is half of a cup, and my tip is cut it up in pieces so you will be able to melt it a lot faster. And I just put it in the microwave for a minute, but in between the minute I did check on it a little bit and stir it up a little bit, and there it is, completely melted. Now we will add 1 egg, 1 large egg, and then now the cake mix, the cherry chip cake mix, and then we will blend that all together. And this is how it should look, pretty thick and kind of crumbly. Now what we're going to do is we're going to spray our cooking pan with some butter spray or cooking spray, any kind you'd like. I'm using the Great Value butter spray. And now I'm just going to evenly put out the cake mix that we just mixed up together on this cookie sheet, or not cookie sheet, but cooking pan, and blend it in nicely and just smooth it out real good. And this is how it should look. Now that the oven is 350 degrees, let's put it in the oven for 15 minutes to bake the cake mix. All right, now that it is fully done being baked, we are going to add the cheesecake filling on top of it. Mine's a little rough to smooth out just because it accidentally got frozen on parts of it because it was in the back of my fridge for a couple of days. So if you don't do that, it'll be a lot easier for you to smooth out. This will smooth out just fine. It just takes a little bit extra work for me. See, it's smoothing out pretty good. And now to add the cherry pie filling that we cooked earlier. And now let's smooth it out. Alright, it may not look perfect, but trust me, it tastes divine. Now this part is optional if you have this kind of cooking pan. Just add the divider tray to it. This is how it will look once you have that done. But if not, how you saw earlier is how it will look without the divider pan thing. Then after that, you are going to add some saran wrap over it and put it in the fridge for some reason it says 4 to 24 hours. I guess it just depends on the firmness you'd like. I'm just going to put it in for 4 hours and I will show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright you guys, it has been 4 hours. Let's give it a check to see what it looks like now. Alright, so this is it close up after it's been off of the tray. This looks so delicious. Absolutely delicious. You guys have to give it a try. Alright you guys, I seriously just had that and it was so good. You've got to give it a try and let me know what you think. Yeah, definitely give it a try. It's not expensive to make it and it tastes really good. And you can make it for a gift, make it for weddings, make it for holidays, for friends, just to go and see like a housewarming party or baby shower. You can do it for anything, just because. Like I did it for this video and for just because. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a try. If you do, let me know down below what you think. And also don't forget to check out Rachel's channel, Live Laugh Love Mommy, and see what she got baking. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe because I need more friends. Bye!